struggling with your AirPods case not charging, whether via cable or MagSafe? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy and effective steps to fix the problem. It could be an issue with the adapter, cable, or connection, but don't stress, we'll get it sorted. Solution 1. Try a different cable and adapter. Sometimes the issue isn't with your AirPods case, it's with your charger. Use an official Apple Lightning cable or a high-quality certified one. Try using a different power adapter or even plug into a different wall outlet or USB port. Also, avoid charging your AirPods case with a computer or power bank during troubleshooting. Use a direct wall outlet for the most reliable test. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you'll need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPods charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After that time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. For the model I'm holding, it has a touch response, so if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you'll have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time, it will work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, go to your iPhone and open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth on My Devices, then tap the eye icon next to it and forget the device. Once it's forgotten, try to connect the AirPods and see if it works. Hopefully this time your problem should be fixed. So with these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If your AirPods case still won't charge, it might be a battery issue or a hardware problem. In that case, it's best to reach out to Apple support or visit an Apple store for a battery service or replacement. Well, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching.